Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to buy diamonds in Bigo Live. First of all, launch open Bigo Live application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into Bigo Live, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu that pops up on the screen, go ahead and select Wallet. Under Wallet, you'll see the Diamonds tab. In order to add diamonds or buy diamonds, go ahead and select the Diamond Recharge options. Select the one that suits your deal and then click on the Get button at the bottom of the screen. You'll need to purchase the diamonds by paying the certain amount that has been displayed underneath each options. Now go ahead and make your payment through Google Play or App Store. Follow through the on-screen instructions and pay the amount that has been displayed, and you'll be able to receive the number of diamonds that you've purchased. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.